Hi there, welcome to our channel FreeTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to collaborate on files using Dropbox. So for this, first of all, upload a photo or video that you want to collaborate with. Then click on three dots in the right side. As you click on three dots, there we have manage permissions option. Click on it. And from here, you can add a person to whom with you want to collaborate. So I will simply add my email address here and then press enter. So the person will be added here like this. Now if you want to write a optional message, you can add it that hi, can you see this video picture, and then click on share. So it will be shared with that person. Now if I again click on three dots and go to manage permissions, so you will see the person is added as a viewer. As you can see, this person can view. And now if you want to remove it, so you can simply click on remove and the person will be removed from your file. So this is how you can collaborate in Dropbox. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.